Welcome to the Zero Cost AI Startup ROI Playbook, where we explore how startups can leverage AI without incurring significant costs, maximizing their return on investment. Let's dive into the contents of this playbook, covering the real ROI signal, sector levers, the ROI framework, the playbook itself, and the next steps for implementation. Understanding the real ROI signal is crucial for startups aiming to harness AI effectively. This chapter will guide you through identifying genuine ROI opportunities in AI adoption. AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's delivering tangible results. From enterprise adoption to productivity gains and marketing ROI, AI is proving its worth across various sectors. Open source models are revolutionizing cost structures, offering deployment flexibility and significant savings. Discover how these models can reduce inference costs and enhance operational agility. In this chapter, we explore sector-specific levers that startups can pull to maximize AI-driven productivity and efficiency, tailored to their unique industry needs. AI is transforming horizontal SaaS and productivity tools, enhancing developer efficiency, automating workflows, and driving cost savings. Learn how these innovations can benefit your startup. AI is reshaping finance and fintech, from automating compliance to enhancing risk detection and operational efficiency. Discover the edge AI provides in these critical areas. AI is streamlining healthcare administration, reducing costs, and improving clinical documentation. Explore how AI-driven tools can enhance efficiency and compliance in healthcare settings. AI is advancing industrial operations with predictive maintenance, quality inspection, anomaly detection, and edge deployment. Learn how these capabilities can optimize your industrial processes. AI is empowering marketing teams to generate creative content at scale, reduce costs, and offer self-hosted solutions. Discover how AI can transform your marketing strategy. AI is revolutionizing education with automated course creation and adaptive learning. Explore how these tools can personalize education and improve learning outcomes. AI is enabling a zero-cost media stack, from storyboard to render, offering full creative control and cost savings. Learn how open-source models can optimize your media production. The ROI framework is essential for startups to evaluate their AI investments. This chapter will guide you through the key components of calculating and maximizing ROI. Understanding the startup ROI equation is vital for financial success. Learn how cost structure and long-term benefits play a role in achieving high-margin enterprise plans. The crossover volume rule highlights the advantages of high-volume operations. Discover how open-source models can reduce costs and enhance competitive pricing strategies. The playbook provides actionable strategies for startups to follow the application money, focusing on value-based pricing, open-source advantages, and customer-centric approaches. Dual-stack architecture offers flexibility and reliability, combining open-source models with proprietary APIs. Learn how this approach can differentiate your startup and ensure customer satisfaction. Monetizing ROI, rather than technology, is key to success. Explore how value-driven pricing and margin expansion can ensure immediate ROI and justify higher pricing. Security, privacy, reproducibility, and customizability are top enterprise concerns. Leading with "no data leaves your cloud" and auditable open-source stacks differentiates startups from incumbent SaaS providers. Building trust through transparent and secure solutions shortens procurement cycles and supports premium pricing, enabling startups to capture a larger share of the market. Open-source models enable startups to meet strict regulatory requirements, such as HIPAA and GDPR, by deploying solutions on-premises or in secure VPCs. Positioning control as one brand value differentiates startups in the market, making them preferred choices for enterprises with strict data governance requirements. As we move forward, it's crucial to explore the next steps in our journey. This chapter will guide us through the strategic actions needed to capitalize on our strengths and address any challenges that lie ahead. To drive strategic growth, We propose a 90-day action sprint. This involves mapping the highest volume customer workflows, token burn, and regulatory constraints to identify areas where open-source models can deliver significant ROI. Benchmarking the cost of open-source models versus proprietary APIs at scale will help quantify potential savings and justify the investment in infrastructure and engineering. Finally, spinning up a VPC pilot with fine-tuned open-source models like Llama or Mistral will demonstrate feasibility and gather initial performance data. To prepare for funding, we need to frame the fundraising narrative around the proprietary vertical workflow combined with the open-source infrastructure edge. This demonstrates clear margin expansion and defensible on-premises deployments. Showcasing engineering talent ready to execute the dual-stack roadmap and a clear path to 1M plus ARR with playback under 12 months positions the startup for growth. The ROI is real, and the money is in applications. Open source models give startups a structurally lower cost base. Investing in engineering, migrating early, and capturing the margin incumbents leave on the table is crucial. Start building your OSS advantage today. Thank you for your attention and support throughout this presentation. We look forward to collaborating and achieving great success together. For more information, visit guyobserve.online.